Today we're going to do something really fun, but first I want you to meet my dog. My dog I really love, Cookie. Cookie, speak. Or don't. Use your treat. Okay. Well, now I feel a lot better. Today what we're going to make is a really cute bird. And my dog is really cute. Okay. This is the bird we're going to make. Okay. So, what you're going to do is you're going to start with the body. You're going to go make a big circle like that. Then you'll make the head. You're just going to go like that. Sorry. Then you're going to make the beak. Going to go like that. It's a really little beak. Then you're going to make one eye like that. Then you're going to make the leg. Like that. See? Then you're going to do it again. Then you're going to make the wing. So you're just going to go like that. See? Then you're going to make the tail wing. Same thing. There you go. And that's your bird. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching this really short video.